guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing something pretty simple today. The wife needs oil change. So what we're going to need to do the job, so we got to have this 15mm wrench. We got a universal oil wrench, oil filter wrench, a couple ramps, and a nice funnel. Picked up everything over here at my local O'Reilly store. Of course, your oil change supplies. And we're going to get started. So right here, what you're looking at, this right here, this is going to be your oil drain plug. So take that out. And let the oil drain into this pan. Nice and easy. And start draining. And it's going to come out quick. Nice and hot and thin. Alright, now that we got that done, we need to loosen this oil filter off. You can get it loose where you can hand take it off. While you let that drain for a little bit, you can go to your supplies and get your oil filter. sure I'm going to catch a lot of comments on here because I'm not priming the filter. But you dang sure want to make sure you grab some of this oil and put it around your gasket so your gasket doesn't stick. That's for dang sure. Alright, once you've done that, I'll go ahead and loosen this oil filter a little more. Go ahead and let it back off here. The oil's hot. Should be about there. There it is. What's that? Let it drain for a second. And take your new filter and put her up in there. Now you'll notice I use K&N. I like K&N filters. They got a great anti-drain back valve in them, especially when you're using synthetic oil. You just want to get it about hand tight, and then you can take your pliers and snug it up just a hair, but you don't want to get it too tight. You don't want it to stick. Not too tight, just a little snug. That'll do, right there. And take where your drain plug goes and clean it off as good as you can. It's not going to be perfect. Put your plug back in. Back in. There's this one right here. I'm going to do the same thing, just a little snug. You don't want to do like the dealership and impact it on. This is exactly why I started doing my own. Just what they love to do. There we go, that's it right there. Now, we're going to go top side and fill her up. But here's your little cap. That. Put a nice funnel in there and we can get to it. I've already pre-measured the oil. I put 8 quarts in this 6.2. So the positive thing about doing this yourself, you know what's going in your vehicle. Let's toss the other 3 in. To keep your bottle over here so you get this full and not drip a bunch of oil all over your stuff. You just toss it in the end right there. Put your cap on. Now we'll go start it real quick, and then we're going to check the oil and make sure that it's full. Looks like it's going to start. Real good. Stick it back in. Can't find a hole. Bad jokes. All right. You look there. Looks like we're good to go. Go ahead and clean it off again. First try. How about that? All right. All right, well, one oil change down. And as you guys know, happy wife, happy life. Say hi. If you like what I did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.